Oh, hey guys, this is Jared, the owner of Shading Texas. This is a brick-mounted 7700 awning that we installed actually over a year ago. So first of all, look and see how tight this is and how really nice it looks. We're actually going to be installing some motorized screens, but I just wanted to give you guys, everybody, an idea. This is what the brackets look like mounted up against the brick. Here, kind of bring it up. This one goes out 11 foot 8 inches. It's about 18 feet wide. Give you guys a better view here. It's going to be rolled in here. So this is the flex pitch model option. So you see these little guys down here. Those little guys, what you can do is you can actually turn those and adjust the pitch of the awning from out almost all the way down. So it's a really nice option. So see how nice this looks rolled in. And now we're going to roll it back out here. And you can just see here in a second, see the shadow of the awning here. Now watch, it's coming down, and soon it's going to hit the concrete, and then it's going to continue on over this way. We actually have a 104-degree day today in Texas, which is crazy, but here comes that shade. So now that shade just starts growing, and different times of the day, wherever the sun angle is, you'll get more or less shade coming out here. So it's just really a nice option for somebody to be able to get some shade. So anyway, this is Jared, owner of Shading Texas. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you very much.